This is Attilio Bachetti's Pizza Quattro Formaggi, or 4-cheese pizza. Before stretching and topping your dough, fire up your oven and allow it to preheat for 15 to 20 minutes. Aim for 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 480 degrees Celsius on your baking stone. Place a dough ball on a lightly floured work surface. Push the air out from the center to the edges, leaving about a ½ inch for the crust. Stretch the dough using the slap technique until you have a disc of about 12 inches or 30 centimeters. Season the base with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Using a piping bag or spoon, dollop on about 50 grams of the ricotta. Don't spread the ricotta. Evenly add about 50 grams of the gorgonzola by pulling it apart with your hands, followed by about 90 grams of the fior di latte. Finish by grating about 30 grams of pecorino romano and 5 to 6 basil leaves. Transfer the pizza to a lightly floured pizza peel and give the edges a little final pull to stretch it out and adjust its shape. Bake the pizza for 1.5 to 2.5 minutes, turning with a peel every 20 seconds or so to ensure an even bake. Take the pizza out of the oven, add a few more leaves of fresh basil, slice and enjoy.